Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to remove video background inside Canva. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright guys, open up Canva and open up that project you've been working on where you want to remove that video background. So in this demonstration, I've got a lady walking. So to remove the background here, simply click on the video and then click on Edit Video. And Canva's got a pretty awesome tool that says background remover. So simply click onto background remover. And then if I go ahead and press play, you can see it's done a pretty good job removing the background. It's one of the better tools I've seen to remove the video background. So yeah, simply go on edit video and then click on background remover. But please make note, you need a premium subscription of Canva to do this. Yeah, so that's it guys for this video, how to remove a video background inside Canva. Thanks for watching to the very end of this tutorial. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found it was helpful.